Riley. Let's see if he likes it. Don't let him hold on to it. Okay, open your mouth, Riley. Okay, make sure. Just a tiny bit. What do you think, Ry?
I guess he likes it. What time?
Oh, he's like choking on it.
No, there's enough on there. There's still some on there.
Can I? Dada.
Here you go.
Why doesn't Daddy do it real quick and just to
I'm
get Riley used to it?
Here.
I want to do it.
Let me do it and then you do it. Look over here, right.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Daddy. Look upside down.
Keegan.
What do you think, Ry?
Does he like it? Yeah. I guess he likes it.
I think he
Don't
does.
I think he does like it. It's applesauce. I think he likes
Oatmeal.
it.
I think he does like it.
Hey, Dad,